Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Let's look at today's top medical news. Research discover potential triggers of inflammatory bowel disease. Abdominal pain, diarrhea, weight loss. These and the other symptoms of inflammatory bowel disease can be disruptive and debilitating. And while scientists have figured out that IBD has a genetic component, not everyone with a family history develops the disease. The environmental triggers for Crohn disease and ulcerative colitis, known together as the inflammatory bowel disease, remained largely unknown. A new study from the University of Michigan discovered a complex interplay between diet, genes, and the gut microbiota that could explain why inflammatory bowel disease developed. The study, published in the journal Cell Host Microbe, found that low-fibre diet led to a proliferation of mucin-degrading bacteria that thrive by eating the mucus lining of the intestine. Researchers analyzed the genetic link using mice with identical immune alterations. While some developed intestinal inflammation, its severity varied and worsened with specific bacteria and a low-fibre diet. Manipulating the presence of human gut microbiome and dietary fiber in mice model allowed the team to regulate inflammation levels. Moreover, inflammation from fibre-free diets intensified with higher levels of mucin-degrading bacteria. These bacteria start foraging on the mucus layer of nutrients, reducing its thickness and barrier function, and bringing microbes to just 10 to 100 microns closer to the host tissue. That was enough in the context of mice with IBD genetics to make them sick, said Martens, professor of microbiology and immunology at the Medical School.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possesses in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
Conversely, feeding the mice a fibre-rich diet prevented inflammation from developing, and even returning mice fed low-fibre to a high-fibre diet led to a peak in inflammation followed by a decline, suggesting fibre can reverse the deleterious effect of mucus erosion on inflammation. IBD, particularly in children, is frequently managed with exclusive internal nutrition, a fiber-lacking formula-based diet. Surprisingly, EEN reduces inflammation without a clear explanation. To understand, researchers administered dried-down formula to mice with IBD genetics. Results showed varying inflammation level among the mice, with some experiencing notably less inflammation compared to those on fibre-free diet, despite EEN also reducing mucus thickness. The team then discovered that elevated amounts of a single branch-chain fatty acid, isobutyrate, was elevated in EEN-fed mice and might suppress inflammation. Isobutyrate is produced through fermentation by some bacteria in gut. Our findings suggest a potential new path for treating IBD. By tailoring specific dietary intervention to influence gut microbiome function, we may be able to manipulate these bacteria communities to alleviate inflammation, said Gabriel Pereira, first author of the study. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.